sub to the channel so far. It's been wild watching this. Like, I didn't really do this to make a bunch of, you know, subs, and I'm not trying to get famous or anything, but those of you that have subs so far, I'm up past 35 subs at this point, and it's wild to me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you enjoy the content. I'm just out here having a good time. I've been riding for a very, very long time, and I want people to enjoy that too. I'm an adrenaline junkie, and riding bikes it's a pleasure to ride. It's usually my therapy, as you can see by my previous video. When I'm feeling down, I go ride, clear my head, you know. But from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for enjoying the content, liking and subscribing. And it's not necessary, but it's a huge thank you to all of you who have so far. And I hope to continue to pump out stuff that you can at least enjoy the ride with me, you know. I'm not out here trying like some of these thirst traps, you know, these helmet creators that aren't even riding the bike. You know, they've got this really nice bike, and it's almost like they're just trust fund babies. You know, I work for everything I've got. I've got a full-time job. Riding is a passion, is a hobby, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. So I really, really, really enjoy it, and thank you again from the bottom of my heart. I hope to continue this journey with y'all, and it's gonna be fun. I've got a lot of content because I ride a lot, especially during the weekends. So not everything that you see is cut for that day. I do post every other day. So whether that's, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, or Friday, I try and post out a new video clipped from a lot of the rides that I do, at least once every other day. That may increase over time once I start getting a little bit more of a following, but I'm not trying to, you know, overdo the algorithm. I'm not here trying to thirst trap stuff, and I'm not trying to get clickbait and all that. I want to show you guys a good time, and you know, hopefully you learn a few things. You know, yeah, I like to go fast, but I also, again, I've been riding for 15 years. I've only had one accident. It wasn't my fault. Again, you can check my video. A guy ran through a red light, basically. So, I'm a safe rider. Yes, you can have fun. Always ride safe. And yeah, so that's another thing. Is just I wanna show people there are ways to do things without getting crazy. You know, you can have fun. It's a motorcycle. You're meant to have fun. But yeah, thank you again. I really, really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for everything, and I hope you guys continue to follow this journey with me and maybe learn a few things. If in the comments, give me any kind of suggestions on like what you guys would like to hear about, like riding wise. Hey, we got some bikers. How's it going, guys? What's up? Yeah, so give me some comments, you know, say, like, hey, how did you learn to do this, or how did you learn to do that? Again, you can see from one of my previous videos, I can't do wheelies. It's not that I can't, it's more or less like I'd rather have two wheels on the ground. Two wheels is already dangerous as is, and just being on one wheel here on Texas roads, they're bumpy. As you can tell, the bike is shaking back and forth. So yeah, let me know if there's anything you guys would like to hear about riding wise. I can give out tips. They'll come as you go. They'll come as I ride more and talk, because I'm kind of an introverted person. I'm in my helmet, so it's kind of like my inner thoughts are already here, so that's why pretty much everything here for me is genuine. I'm just kind of a loner. You know, I like to find random bikers on the road, never meet them. You know, I've got that helmet personality is what they call it, I guess. That you don't see, you know, I've got that confidence in the helmet, but that's it, you know. Anyway, yeah, thank you again. Woo, hello. Thank you again, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the journey. Man, these are some old school jams, bro, and that makes me feel old. Demi Lovato, freaking Heart Attack. This what came out in like what, 2010, 2011? Wild, bro. That was so long ago.